Be sure the proper frame, booster, and connector has been selected for the job. Remove connector from the package, tearing along the perforation. All conductors should be wire brushed prior to installation of connector. Place C-member of connector over run conductor. Insert tap conductor and place wedge between conductors. The chamfer on the wedge should be against the larger conductor. With the yellow frame, the yellow C-member is held with the yellow stop of the frame. With the blue and red frame, a blue C-member is held with the blue stop, the red C-member is held with the red stop. Tighten the tool until the red line disappears. Remove tool, being careful not to depress the safety latch. Hold tool in a vertical position, depress safety latch, and turn breech barrel counterclockwise. Pull breech barrel down sharply and tip breech downward. Booster should fall out. For more detailed instructions, refer to the table of contents in the Safety Operating and Maintenance Instructions.